Oh, yes, this is BJ. The result of BJ.
Yeah, this is BJ over here.
Here, let's have BJ make a commercial.
This is the result of BJ putting regular soap into the dishwasher, regular hand soap, because we were out apparently of dishwashing soap, and he decided that they were both the same thing.
Have him show it. Show, make the commercial. Dawn hand renewal.
Not dishwasher soap. Hand renewal.
Now we are trying to get the suds out of the dishwasher so that perhaps our kitchen floor will not be flooded. Can you say?
Don't you dare say.
Can you say?
I was drove, and I'll admit it. I did something stupid.
Look for the pictures
How rare.
on Facebook.